Summer blackouts are dangerous, not just inconvenient. As temperatures rise every year, power outages are becoming the norm. If you're not prepared, things can get bad fast. No lights, no AC, no warning. You can't count on the government or power company to save you, but you don't need to spend thousands to survive, just a solid plan. This video is your guide. 15 budget-friendly hacks to stay cool, safe, and sane when the grid goes down. Let's get started. First rule, charge everything every morning before peak hours. Your phone is your lifeline. Flashlight, news, emergency contact, entertainment. Don't stop at your phone. Charge every power bank, rechargeable fan, flashlight, and headlamp. Make this a daily habit during summer. Don't wait for a blackout warning. By then, it's too late. Peak hours are late afternoon to early evening. Be fully charged before then. Make a checklist: phone, power banks, lights, fans. Go down the list every morning. This simple habit costs nothing but gives you a huge advantage. Don't be caught with a dead battery when the lights go out. Be the one who's ready. This is the foundation of your blackout survival plan. You don't need a $5,000 generator. Get several high-capacity USB battery packs, 20,000 mAh or more. Add a portable solar panel to recharge them during the day. This setup gives you days of power for essentials. If you want to upgrade, consider a mid-tier portable power station, quiet, safe, and solar rechargeable. Only get a generator if you truly need it and never run it indoors. Dual fuel models offer flexibility, but safety comes first. For most, power banks and solar are smarter and safer. Backup power doesn't have to break the bank. Build your system before you need it. When the power's out, your fridge is on borrowed time. Stock up on no-cook, shelf-stable foods, canned meats, fruits, veggies, protein bars, jerky, and boxed milk. Plan simple meals. Don't just pile up random cans. Rotate your supplies every 6 months to keep them fresh. Include morale boosters like chocolate or cookies. Have a backup cooking method, camp stove or grill, plus fuel for longer outages. Only use these outdoors. A little planning keeps you fed and stress-free. Don't wait until the fridge is warm to get ready. Your blackout menu is your safety net. No power can mean no water. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day, 2 to be safe. Don't forget pets. Buy bottled water and rotate it every 6 months. If a blackout is coming, fill bathtubs and sinks for hygiene water. Use this for flushing toilets and sponge baths. Have a way to purify water. Get a Life Straw or Sawyer Mini, and keep unscented bleach on hand. A few drops of bleach can make water safe to drink. Your stored water is your first line of defense. Purification tools are your backup. Water is survival. Don't risk running out. Skip the candles. Fire risk is too high. Use LED flashlights, headlamps, and lanterns for safe, efficient light. Have extra batteries for all devices. Solar garden lights are a great hack. Charge outside by day, use inside at night. Glow sticks are perfect for kids and marking paths. Layer your lighting: headlamps for tasks, lanterns for rooms, glow sticks for safety. These options are safer and last longer than candles. Stock up before you need them. Light your blackout the smart way. Blackouts in summer mean fighting the heat. Keep sunlight out. Close curtains, blinds, or tape foil to sunny windows. During the day, keep windows and doors shut. At night, open them for cross breezes. Battery-powered fans and cooling towels are essential. Take cold showers if you start overheating. Set up your living space in the coolest part of your home, basement or first floor. Stay hydrated, wear light clothing, and avoid strenuous activity during peak heat. Move mattresses and supplies to the coolest area. These steps can make your home survivable, even in extreme heat. Don't underestimate the danger of heat stroke. Simple changes can save lives. Stay cool, stay safe. Keep fridge and freezer doors closed. Every opening lets cold out. A full fridge stays cold for about 4 hours, a full freezer up to 48. Freeze water bottles to fill empty freezer space. They keep food cold longer and can be moved to the fridge. Have coolers and ice packs ready for perishables if the outage drags on. Group items together to slow thawing. Use appliance thermometers to monitor temps. Fridge below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, freezer below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If food gets too warm, throw it out. Don't risk food poisoning. When in doubt, toss it. Protect your food, protect your health. Blackouts mean a new routine. Adapt fast. Do chores and meal prep in the cool morning or evening hours. Rest during the hottest part of the day. Make it your siesta. Avoid using the oven or stove. Stick to no-cook foods or cook outside. Plan quiet, low-energy activities for midday. Kids need structure. Turn the blackout into an adventure with games and stories. Shifting your schedule conserves energy and keeps everyone safer. Adapt your habits to the blackout, not the other way around. Flexibility is key to survival. Power surges can destroy your electronics when the power returns. Unplug TVs, computers, and other devices as soon as the power goes out. Don't just turn them off, pull the plug. Surge protectors help, but unplugging is foolproof. For critical devices, consider a UPS for safe shutdowns. When power returns, wait a few minutes before plugging things back in. Plug in devices one at a time. This simple habit can save you thousands. Information is vital during a blackout. Get a battery-powered or hand-crank radio for emergency updates. Tune in to NOAA. Weather radio for 24/7 alerts. Sign up for local emergency text alerts before disaster strikes. Your car radio is another backup. Just use it safely. Keep all communication devices charged. Multiple ways to get news mean you're never cut off. Stay informed, stay ahead. If you rely on powered medical equipment, plan now. Register with your utility's medical baseline program for priority reconnection. Have a backup power source, portable power station or generator, and test it. For refrigerated meds, keep insulated bags and freezer packs ready. Transfer meds to coolers immediately if the power goes out. Coordinate with healthcare providers for emergency procedures and backup supplies. Write down key contacts and device info. Don't wait for an emergency to figure this out. Medical prep is non-negotiable. Survival is a team effort. Connect with neighbors and family now. Share resources and skills. One has a generator, another has water, you have medical training. Pooling resources makes everyone safer. Check on vulnerable neighbors, the elderly, families with infants, people with disabilities. A simple wellness check can save lives. Set up a family communication and evacuation plan. Know where you'll go if things get worse and how to reach each other. Have an out-of-town contact for check-ins. Teamwork and communication are your best survival tools. Don't go it alone. Your car is a survival kit on wheels. Use it to charge devices with a USB adapter. If your house gets dangerously hot, run the AC in your car, never in a closed garage. The car radio is a reliable source for news. Don't drain the battery. Run the engine occasionally. Always keep your gas tank at least half full. Gas stations may be down. Your car is also your evacuation plan if you need to leave. Treat it as a backup shelter and power source. Keep it ready. Blackouts are stressful. Plan for mental survival too. Stock up on books, cards, puzzles, and board games. Have a special blackout box for entertainment. For kids, turn it into an adventure, pillow forts, flashlight stories, crafts. Keep everyone engaged to reduce anxiety. Pre-download movies, music, and podcasts to your devices. Use your charged devices for digital entertainment when needed. Maintaining routines and morale is just as important as food and water. A happy, occupied family weathers the storm better. Don't overlook this step. The best way to test your plan? Run a blackout drill. Pick a weekend, shut off your main breaker, and live like the power's out. Practice using your backup lighting, food, and power supplies. Try staying cool, keeping entertained, and communicating. Afterward, review what worked and what didn't. Fix any problems you find. Dead batteries, missing supplies, bored kids. Make this an annual habit. Drills turn theory into real skills. You'll be ready for the real thing. Don't just plan, practice. Now you have the plan, 15 hacks to survive a blackout. But knowledge isn't enough. Take action today. Pick one thing and do it now. Buy water, get a radio, or build a blackout box. Every step builds momentum. Don't wait for disaster to strike. If this helped, like and subscribe and share with your community. The more people prepared, the safer everyone is. Stay safe and be ready.